watch your kids. Put your eye down as a parent to listen to your kid, to watch what he or she is always doing. Study your kids. Always monitor your kids. Whenever they go out, let me explain again. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Is your girl Mama. What's up? I'm a married woman living in Germany with 3 kids, and my channel is all about cooking, lifestyle, talk videos, hairstyle and more. And if you are a lover of all these things I just mentioned, why don't you do me a favor by clicking that red sign that says subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload videos you'll be the first to be notified. To my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for always supporting me, for always watching my video. I never do this alone without you guys. I say may God bless you all. So from the topic of this video, you've already known what I want to talk about, what I want to share with you guys. Is my own idea. You must not take it, but I think it's good I share my ideas. I never know anybody that it may concern or will learn from it, because we are born to make mistakes and learn from it. So I want to quickly talk about the simple common mistakes that we parents do and we don't know. Number 1 mistake is that parents should learn how to create time for their kids. You should learn how to have time for their children. Always, no matter how little you are, no matter how busy you are, always create time for your kids. Yeah, it's always very important. And number 2 mistakes that I think we parents we make without knowing. Learn how to talk with your child. Yeah, learn how to create a communication with your child. Learn how to discuss with your child. Always communicate. Create that friendship with your child. Make your child to trust you. Make your child to always believe in you. Always confide in you anytime she or he has anything to discuss. Instead of going outside to talk with outsider or teacher or friends, he prefers to come home and discuss it with her mother. Number 3 mistakes that we parents make and we don't know. We overpamper our kids. We overpamper them that we make them get spoiled without knowing. Learn how to caution your child. Whenever he or she does anything wrong, always caution them. It's very important. Learn how to talk with them. Caution them. Everything is not beating. Yes, learn how to make them listen to you. And number 4 mistakes that we parents do that we don't know. Mind where you keep your child. Mind the people you leave your child with. Is always important. Mind the kind of friends you leave your child with. Is always important. I will not go further with that. And number 5th mistakes that we parents do and we don't know. Common mistakes we used to make. Kind of things you talk in presence of your children. Mind the kind of language you use in presence of your children. Stop being aggressive in presence of your children. If you are training them to be aggressive, they will end up growing up being aggressive. Always mind how you talk with your kids. Everything is not all about spanking them. You have to learn how to communicate and talk with them. Mind the kind of words you use in front of your kids. Is always very important, because they learn very fast and it's hard to go away in their memories. So we parents should be careful all those kind of little mistakes. And the number 6th mistake, if I'm correct, we parents do and we don't know. I will not let your child sit on anybody's laps. It's always very important. Don't let them sit on anybody's laps. That is all I have to say about that. A word is enough for a wise. And the number 7 of mistake, I hope I'm counting it correctly, but I don't know. We parents make and we don't know. Always be watchful. The kind of friends they keep, where they go. Always monitor your kids. Be watchful. Let me explain. For example, like when they go to school and come back, always watch their bag. Check their bag to know what is inside that bag. And always sneak in the rooms of your kids to monitor them, to see what is going on. Always monitor them. It's always very important, because let me use myself as an example. I have kids and they have their rooms. Sometimes when they are in their bed sleeping, I sneak there to monitor what is going on. Not only when they are sleeping, maybe they are relaxing, or in the afternoon they want to sleep, or they are playing in their room. I always go there, sneak there, monitor them, see what is going on there. It's always very important. So guys, I believe I have come to the end of this video. I don't really want to make this video too long. I believe I have come to the end of this video. If you like what you just watched, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And please, if you have anything to say concerning what I just talked about, you can as well share it with me. Tell me what you think. Drop it at the comment section down below. And if you are not yet subscribed, please kindly join the family. Subscribe, turn on the notification bell, do all that good stuff, so that anytime I upload videos, you'll be the first to be notified. Please feel free to share my video. It's a way of helping your girl. Yeah. And if you have any questions, please drop it at the comment section. I normally upload videos every time in a week. I used to upload video. So thank you for watching. See you in my next video. As of now, I am out. Bye.